Hi there, Lori here from Unique in the Creek, and I'm here to demonstrate our new tool called the Measure Buddy. It's a very lightweight recycled plastic tool to measure our craft supplies. So the body itself is 8 inches, and if you wrapped your ribbons around, you would have 8 inches. However, if you want 14 inches, you pull the number 1 right out and it says 14, 13. So each increment is an inch. So if you pull it all the way out, from here to here is 14 inches. However, if you wanted 16-inch tails, you would pull out number 2 to 16. Or you can pull it all the way out to 20-inch tails. And the 20-inch is really good, especially if you're making gnomes or using wool. You can just wrap around and you get 20-inch pieces easily. Or if you need only 14-inch pieces for your tails, just push in the number 2. We still have the 14. It does have a ribbon holder on it if you want to use that to hold, so you don't have to hold your ribbon in place, and you just flip. So these would be 14-inch tails, and there is slits at the ends, so you can just slide your scissors right in. And there we go. And that's 14, or if you want 16, pull out to 16 and then wrap it around. It's very lightweight, great for when you're traveling. If you need 10-inch mesh and you don't have a cutting board or a cutting mat, just pull it out to 10. Put your Measure Buddy inside your mesh and just flip it over nice and tight. And just keep flipping. And then you can cut it off your roll and then cut down your sides, and you'll have 10-inch pieces. Same with if you need 20-inch pieces of mesh, say for ruffles. Open it right up to 20 and flip it over. Make sure it's tight in the middle, and you just keep flipping. And then you can just cut your mesh off and then cut down the sides. So it's going to be a handy little tool. It comes with 2 clips, so you can put 1 clip here, which is, it's got an indent right there for the clip, so the clip won't move on you, and it's got 2 lines to keep it in place. And it does come with a second clip, which you can either use on the other side, and it slides into place there. That's the Measure Buddy.